face paint. Panvox 28 colors crayons body face painting kits for kids with no toxic. For Halloween overview. Panvox Professional 28 color face paint was specially designed for kids, toddlers and adults. No toxic bright, professional face and body painting set. You'll enjoy this bright colors in your Panvox face and body paint crayons kit. Your face paint are safe, superior cosmetic grade makeup, hypoallergenic, non-toxic, FDA-compliant toy and cosmetic regulations, paraben-free, which makes it ideal for toddlers with sensitive skin. Professional body face paint is easy to apply and easy to remove with soap and water. Easily removable with soap and water, even from fabrics such as clothing and furniture. This face painting crayons perfect for kids' football party, Halloween makeup, birthday parties, school and church events, party favors, prime sport, masquerades or kids playing pretend play in beauty salon. We have confidence about quality of face paint. If you have any issues, freely contact us. We will provide free return and RREE. We will provide an after-sales guarantee card in the box. You can contact us at any time.